Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about sports injury. Sports injury are those injury which occurs during participation in sports. Sports injury it affect the performance of a person. Sports injury, sports sports injury are those injury sports injury are those injury that that occurs participation during participation in sports. This is about the sports injury. Sports injury are those injury which occurs during participation in sports. Sports injury it affects the performance of a sports persons. Sports injury it is classified as soft tissue injury and hard tissue injury. Sports injury it is classified into two types: soft tissue injury soft tissue injury, and second is hard tissue injury. Soft tissue injury are those injury which occurs over the skin and the muscles. Soft tissue injury it is again of two types: skin injury and muscle injury. Skin injury means those injury which occurs in the skin, like contusion, abrasion, like contusion, abrasion, laceration, incision. These are the some skin injury which occurs over the skin. And muscle injury like cramp, sprain. These are the muscle injury. Muscle injury are those injury which occurs over the muscles like muscle cramp, sprain. And hard tissue injury, it is of two types: dislocation and fracture. Dislocation like simple dislocation, fracture dislocation, complicated these locations. And fractures like complete fractures, complete fracture, incomplete fracture, green stick fracture, oblique fractures, oblique fractures, transverse fractures, stress fractures, compound fractures, okay, stress, complete fractures, incomplete fractures, green stick fractures, oblique fractures, transverse fractures, stress fractures, compound fractures, fracture, complicated fractures, etc. These are the some types of fractures. So these are the classifications of sports injury. Okay, first, sports injury. Sports injury means those injury which occurs during participation in sports. Sports injury, it is classified into two types: soft tissue injury and hard tissue injury. Soft tissue injury, like soft tissue injury, it is of two types: skin injury and muscle injury. Skin injury means those injury which occurs in the skin, like contusion, abrasion, laceration and incision. So contusion, it is a skin injury caused due to direct hit by an external object without breaking the continuity of the skin. Okay, and for contusion means skin injury caused by direct hit by an external object without breaking the continuity of the skin. The color of the skin changes into red to black, there will be the swelling, sometimes loss of functioning of the affected part, etc. Abrasion, it is the injury over the skin caused due to scrap, means due to rubbing of skin over a hard and rough surface. The skin is rubbed over a hard and rough surface. Laceration, it is a type of soft tissue injury. It is a type of laceration. It is the type of wound that happen when the soft tissue in skin are torn by a blunt object. Okay, laceration, it is type of wound that happen by a blunt object. And incision, it is also a type of soft tissue injury in which the skin or the muscles are torn by a sharp object. This is by a blunt object. Caused by a blunt object, and incision, sharp object. contusion due to direct hit, and abrasion due to rubbing of skin. Next is muscle injury. Muscle injury means those injury which occurs in the muscles like muscle cramp, strain and swell. Muscle cramp means it is a neuromuscular injury in which means inability of a muscle to contract properly. Inability of a muscles to contract properly. Okay, cause due to overstretching of muscles, due to overtraining, loss of waters, etc. Cramp, imbalance, muscle contraction. The muscle is not able to contract properly, and it is due to overtraining, loss of waters, etc. Next is strain. Strain, it is a muscle. Okay, the muscle fibers. In strain, the muscle fibers damage. The muscle fibers is damaged or tear. Strain, it is the injury. It is a muscle injury. It is which is caused in which the muscle fibers is damaged or tear. Okay, the muscle fibers get damaged or tear due to overstretching of muscles. Next is strain. Strain means ligament damage or tear. In strain, the ligament is tear or damaged. Ligament, it is the connective tissue that connect two bones, and in strain, the ligament is tear or damaged. It is due to twisting of joint. Okay, it is due to twisting of joint, overstretching of ligament, etc. The ligament is damaged or tear, and the treatment is this. For muscle injury, the treatment is twice. First is protection, after that rest. Protection, rest, ice, compression, elevation, and last rehabilitation. This is the management. This is the management technique for muscle injury. Protections, after that complete rest, no movement. After that, immediately apply ice over the affected part to reduce the internal bleeding. After that, use cold compressions. Next, elevations, elevate the affected part above the heart levels. And last is rehabilitations. After the treatment is over, after the complete recovery, the rehabilitations or the physiotherapy exercise is performed to regain the strength of the muscle. So, this is about the muscle injury. Next is dislocation. In dislocation, the adjoining bones, the adjoining joint are displaced from its original place. Okay, the joint is displaced from its original place. And heart tissue injury means bone injury. Fractures, it is the injury of bones by an external pressures, by an external force. In fractures, the bones is there is a slight breaking, a complete breaking of a bones. Okay, in fractures, the bones is break by some external pressures. In this, there is a slight breaking or complete breaking of the bones. Fractures, it is categorized into two parts. Closed fractures and open fractures. Closed fractures, the broken bone remain inside the skin. There is no cut over the skin. And in open fractures, there is a cut over the skin by a sharp edge of the object. Next is complete fractures. Complete fractures, the bones is completely break into two pieces. Okay, in complete fractures, the bones is completely break. In incomplete fractures, there is a slight breaking or cracking of the bones. The bones is cracked or partially break up. In Greenstein fractures, there is a bending. There is a slight bending along with cracking. The bone is bent along with cracking of the bones. It is usually seen in the child bones because their bones are delicate. Okay, the bones is slightly bent and there is a slight cracking over the bones. In oblique fractures, the broken bones, the bones break diagonally. Okay, oblique fractures, the bones is break diagonally. In transverse fractures, the bones break at right angles. Okay, in transverse fractures, the bones is break. Transverse fractures, this type of fracture is caused due to breaking of bones at right angle with the axis of the bones. And stress fractures, it is due to repeated stress over the joint. It is usually occurs in jumping activity. Okay, it is usually due to repeated stress over the joint and it is mainly occurs in jumping, throwing, etc. Impact fractures, the broken bones move into another broken bones. Okay, the broken bones is driving into another broken bones. Means the broken bones move into another bones. Compound fractures, the bones break along with dislocation. Okay, compound fractures, the bones break along with dislocations. And in complicated fractures, there is a breaking of bones as well as it affects the delicate organs like kidney, liver, mind, etc. Okay, the delicate organs is affected by the bones. And last is comminuted fractures. In comminuted fractures, the bones break into many small pieces. Okay, the bones is break into many small pieces. So these are some types of sports injury. What is sports injury means? Those injury which occurs in the sports. Soft tissue injury, hard tissue injury. It is of two types: skin and muscle injury. compression, elevations and rehabilitations. Muscle injury. Muscle injury. First, let's discuss about strain. Strain, it is a muscle injury. Okay, strain, it is the muscle injury. Muscle injury in which muscle fibers, okay, strain, it is an injury of the muscles in which the muscle fibers is damaged or tear. It is caused by overstretching, overstress. Okay, it is caused by overstress or overstretching. Okay, muscle injury, it is caused by overstress or overstretching or due to violent pull. Overstretching of muscles or due to violent pull. This is about the strain. Strain, it is the injury of the muscles. Injury of the muscle in which the muscle fibers is damaged or tears. It is caused by overstress or overstretching of muscles due to violent pull. Is called pain, acute pain, swelling, sometimes loss of functioning of the affected part, etc. Next is sprain. It is the ligament. Okay, it is the ligament injury. It is the ligament injury in which the ligament is tear or damaged. It is caused by overstretching of joint, twisting of joint, etc. Okay, if the joint is overstressed or due to twisting of joint, it causes ligament tear. The ligament is tear or damaged. This is about the strain. And the treatment of muscle injury is price. Protection. Okay, the first step is protection. protection. After that, rest, and then eyes. Okay, after that we have to do eyes. Compression, elevation, and rehabilitation. This is the management technique. First aid. This is the management step. Management step for muscle injury. Muscle injury. Okay, student. First, protection. After that, rest. After treatment, complete rest to the place. Restrict the movement. No movement. After that, immediately apply ice over the affected part to stop the internal bleeding. Icing, it helps to stop internal bleeding. After that, cold compression. Cold compression should be used. After that, elevate the affected part above the heart levels. After that, after 2 days, apply inflammatory cream. We do the icing for 2 days. Then only after 2 days, use inflammatory cream, massage to reduce the swelling, do contrast bath, etc. And after that, rehabilitation exercise will be done. After that, rehabilitation exercise will be done. Okay, thank you.